Hello, fashion lovers, and welcome to the Fashion Dance Stylista Moda. If you want to make your career in fashion designing and you are looking for some classes, this is the right place for you to subscribe this channel and like the videos and follow me from day one. So, in today's video, day 26 video, will be learning to drape the lehengas. This lehenga we are creating, this is a wedding lehenga, and we'll come to know about the impact, how we can create the impact of bright and beautiful dresses. So for that we'll be using the acrylic colors. This would be a new medium I'll be using in this video, so follow this video to see the entire process. So let's start. To start with, I have created a figure, and first I will create the blouse, the neckline, as usual, as we are doing, the armhole, the sleeve, like this. But I feel the neckline is bit, it need to be bit low. So let me raise it. Mhm. It need to be little bit wider and little bit deep more. This, now this is fine. So this is the choli, and for lehenga first we'll create the belt. You know the rule, blouse, the bottom of blouse should be in curve shape, the cave like, and for belt it should be opposite to that. I'm making it impacted just like she has hold this lehenga in her hand, so that I can make it more wider. I'll make some flares from the hand, it should be like this, yes, and on the other hand also the main line and the flare. Flare we will be giving just like we have given in ruffles. It is explained in the lesson of basic design ideas to create the ruffles. You may get the idea from that. I'll erase the body parts, the flash figure or the block figure. I have not flashed it, so this is the block figure I have made because it was supposed to covered with lehenga. Now we'll give the folds. We'll just give the rough lines to all the folds, right? Perfect. Now we'll create the dupatta. For dupatta I'm making it just like dupatta is taken from head and it is wrapped on the waist, because generally when it is a bridal designing, when it is a bridal draping, so generally nowadays the drapers are using this technique, this, so that because the dupattas are comparatively light fabric now, chiffon, sometime net, sometime even people though using satin also, the fine satin also they are using. So I'm using a fine satin dupatta of contrast color that will do in the colors, this, and I will erase the, because this is a satin dupatta so it's not transparent, so we'll erase the inner part of the body and give the false, this, right, and the rest of the dupatta is draped at head. So this is just like this. I'm highlighting the border, the entire border is highlighted, and this. because at the shoulder it need to give the shape. So I'm trying to give that particular shape, and on the another side it will be given at back like this. For if you want to know more about the draping of the pattas, so you should follow the videos of kameez, salwar kameez and dupattas. There I had explained a lots of 4, 5, 6 style of dupattas to be draped like this. So done. I'm bit unsatisfied with the shape of dupatta that is coming in this. So I'll just make it clear. Perfect. So this pencil work is complete now. So let's color it now. I am making a I'm making the base of red acrylic color, crimson red color I am using. With the round brush, small brush, I am giving a thick outline. Just giving the outline, and I'm simply filling it with the color. No special effects, nothing. Only just a simple filling. I'm giving the outline because with the thick later on thick with the thick brushes, thick flat brush I would say, I'll be filling the color because this is much more even like this as compared to small flat round brush. So this I'm doing it in one direction. Simple filling with no efforts, with no extra efforts, no shadings, no renderings, nothing. You can use poster colors also, but acrylic color is little bit shiny. So if you want to give a very you can say bright and vibrant colors look to any garment, so you need to use the acrylic colors. This spread evenly like this, and then this I'll make the entire base like this. So I have given the base impact to the entire figure. Dupatta with the pink and lehenga with the red. So with the maroon color, maroon you can create by mixing red and a pinch of black, very small amount of black. So you can give the falls. To each and every fold you have to give a triangle like shade just to make it clear to you, because maroon you would not be able to see. So just to make you clear, I am making it brown, little bit brown, so that you can see the shape that you should give. And on the later stages, with that we'll be highlighting this lines with the pink color, dark pink color I would say, like this. So every fall I'll be doing this. I'm shading this with a brown, so it will give you the impact of 3D impact. When you'll mix it with the pink, so it will give you more clear impact. All the falls, upper and lower, I'll be coloring it with brown color. Instead it should be maroon, but it was not visible in camera, so you should use brown, you should use maroon instead of this brown. But to give you the impact of, I'm using this brown color. Later on I'll mix it like this. See, wherever you need to create the dark color, no need to mix, only just give a layer of dark color like this. So still it is just as you can see, where I have done the maroon, their impact is better than brown, but just to show it to you, I am using this brown color. Maroon is can be created more of red and a pinch of a very small amount of this you can say very small amount of black. This now I'm trying to mix it with the maroon color. So this, right? So I have created the entire impact. Now I'll be using the glitter gel pen to decorate it and to give the impact of embroidery. Here on dupatta I am making the firan or the gota that will create the border. I have given the outline and I am making the crisscross just we have done in the hatching. Hatching you must have remember we have done in day 10, 11 or 12. I'm not sure, but on these days videos most probably, because at that time we were using the rendering of flash figures, you know. So there we have created this hatching impact. So I am just giving the hatching, creating the borders of the dupatta. You can see I have highlighted the falls of the dupatta with the help of dark pink color. See, in camera it is not that much visible, but believe me, it gives a very beautiful impact to the dupatta. And if you'll try to see little bit with a little bit care, so you can see this golden impact. Yes, now it is visible, because sometimes it happens that the things which are been created are not that much visible on camera. So because it's shining very nicely in actual, while in camera it's not that much impactful. On some angles you can see the impact. This. So the border is been created. Now we will create the lehenga impact. While doing this, keep in your mind that the entire lehenga or the base color should be dried. Give comfortable time to your sketch to get dry, because acrylic color takes more time
दो
to
चार दुकानें
get
घूमेगा ना
dry.
अपने आप अक्कल आ जाती है ना।
This
नन्नू अंधेरा लगा रहा है, तू
instead
बार-बार
I'll
आके
be
पीछे होके।
using the silver color, because golden is not giving that much of impact, because maroon,
मेरी जेब में से ले ले।
the silver color always comes very nicely with maroon. Acha, in
तू जो कह रही है अभी
lehenga the
सब्जी मंगा
folds
लो
you
फिर।
can see what I have done. I have done it with the maroon and then highlighted with the pink, so that 3D impact you can see, can't you? So to make this impact, no need to mix, you just have to overlay color over color like this.
मेरे को मजा आया नहीं था
फिर तो ऐसे कर 20-20 रुपए की सब्जी ले आ दो,
कोई भी ठाना
नहीं वहाँ पे जाके एक बार फोन कर लियो 40 रुपए रोटी हम बना रहे हैं।
Always keep in your mind when you are creating the borders of some flary garment, so its borders or all the lines will move as the bottom line is. See, I am making it parallel to the bottom line, then only it will give you the impact of 3D,
तुम्हारा
the proper shape.
सोफा
हाँ यही लगा
हमने भी ऐसे अपने कमरे का मास्क कर रखा है।
इतनी जगह छोड़ रहे हैं।
तुमने भी एक
The same firan I'll be creating on this as I have done.
एक तो तुम्हारे को ना इस गर्मियाँ ओ
See,
गर्मियाँ कह रही
you
इसके
can
बाद
see the impact.
शीशा निकाल
You can see that how I am
नन्नू बार बार
making
आके
a
आ रहा है,
parallel
तो
line
अंधेरा
to the
लगवा रहा है।
bottle
दोनों सोफे ना ऐसे
to
फिट
give the
ये सामने
proper
वाली
impact.
सच्ची कह रही हूँ मैं तो तू ही कर सकता है ये हिम्मत और कोई नहीं करेगा
Using your creativity and
मैं उठा के
motives,
ना ये यहाँ डाल
you can create whatever you want to create.
जो होगा होगा
And in one subject that is basic design, will be creating the motifs and the color schemes. Soon I'll be coming up with the new subject.
स्टोर में
Once these all 30 days will over, so we'll be working on amazing color schemes in fashion designing and the amazing patterns in fashion designing.
हाँ
Right? So now you can see the impact of golden and all. So same I'll be
बेड हमारा
using
ऐसे ही रखा है, ऐसे रखा है हमारा बेड।
the hatching impact I'm creating here.
ऐसे बेड रखा है, यहाँ अलमारी आ जाएगी, एक सोफा आ जाएगा, एक बचेगा।
It's a lengthy process and it needs
मेरा
lots of
मन
patience
करेगा
of yours.
सारा कुछ बेच
Even
दूँ।
sketching is a subject where you need a lots of patience.
लेकिन शीशा तो
So
तुम्हारे
always
निकालने
be
को। पता है क्या?
prepared
एक
to
तो
sit
ना
for longer
दूसरा
time
उसको एक बीच में से
when
निकाल
you are
के
making
वो
a
कहीं
sketch.
दिशा में पड़ा रहता है।
See,
अच्छा,
making a
वो-
sketch
वो
something,
जो खाली
it
सी
can be
जगह
created within a
इतनी
15
गंदी
minutes,
लगती है ना।
but it may
अलमारी
also
में
take
मेरे तो-
some time, 15 hours of
अलमारी में
yours.
नीचे बेच रखा
It
है
depends how patience, how
बेच
means
क्यों दिया था?
impactful things you are
जंगल
making.
टूटा वो
Right?
खुद खुद खुला पड़ा
So
था,
I'll do
टूटा
one
पड़ा
thing,
था,
I'll create it
जंग
and
लग के पानी
we'll be
लग
back
के
soon.
खराब हो पड़ा था वो।
So here I have created all the patterns and designs, and see this. Now I'll be creating the jewelry, because when we are talking about the bridal costumes, so jewelry is most important thing that you need to show. I'm making here the gold and silver jewelry, the necklace and the rani har, the longer necklace. You can see I have created the embroidery designs on dupatta, on lehenga and on blouse also. This with the same gel pens I am using this jewelry also. We'll create a mang tika, the earrings, jhumka style earrings I am making here, the bangles. I thought I will be making the bangles of the Punjabi chuda, but later on I think I'll be making it with the silver accessories. So I am using the silver accessories all the way. So this, the nut, this is very essential when the kamarband. It's all upon you, whatever you want to make you can. So this is the final impact of lehenga. So thanks for watching this video, friends. I hope you like the video, and I'll be coming up with some new ideas in sketching and even other subjects. So till then, bye bye, see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, friends.